How to buy BlockDAG from Trust Wallet. Let's get started. So basically, what you do first is make sure that you have Trust Wallet on your browser or on your supported wallet connect, and then use the desktop browser to give you smoother purchasing. And then step two is to connect the wallet. So after you choose the wallet or open your Trust Wallet app, simply just select Trust Wallet, and then from the mobile wallet app or the Trust Wallet app, simply just select Wallet Connect. So from there, you can buy Ethereum, BNB, and use the utility with Apple Pay, Google Pay, or card. So just go to that, click and link that, follow that. And then step three is once the pre-sale is concluded, you'll be airdropped your block tag. So the coins, after you purchase it using by connecting your Trust Wallet to your block tag, you can now have it airdrop to your block tag coin. So the exact date and time of the airdrop will be revealed closer to the time of the block tag launch. And that's it. It's very, very simple. Now, if you want to know more from Trust Wallet, you can actually check here. So as you can see, they recommend using Trust Wallet or the Plus Wallet if you're connecting through built-in Wallet Connect. So that's how you can buy Black Tag. So to initiate buying the Black Tag coins, just follow the steps below, and that's how you can buy Black Tag coins in and from Trust Wallet.